Hi, I'm Jamie Widener with Kleen-Rite Corporation, and today we're going to talk about the HydroFoamer from Hydro Systems. This is a device that was born out of the HydroChem family, which is a wall-mounted spraying and foaming device. The advantage to the HydroFoamer, though, is that it allows you to be portable. And very simply, it has a garden hose attachment to the handle, and with it you can walk the radius of the space you need to either foam or spray. And with it then, you have a 10-foot spray radius, so it allows you to go even further than that. The feature then, of course, how do I get the chemical away? Very simply, as a quick disconnect, it allows you to take the sprayer off, rinse down the spaces after you're done. So with the HydroFoamer, there are very few moving parts, which makes this a very simple device to use. We're almost maintenance free, but there are a few areas that could be trouble. So let's talk through it. Very first thing is that in the end of this sprayer, there is a screen, and that is meant to help protect against particulates in your water supply. Unfortunately, though, it can accumulate here, and once it does, it'll start to slow down your water supply. The unit optimally works at 40 psi, which is fairly standard water pressure for most residential and commercial applications. But again, if the water slows down, it's going to challenge the dilution ratio that you're trying to achieve via the metering tip. Also, the unit has a quick coupler here that allows you to remove the sprayer to set the tank aside when you need to rinse. The coupler itself may crack at some point, especially if the units drop constantly. Unfortunately, it does happen from time to time. It is also a stressor with the weight of the tank and the weight of the hose. So with that, that is an item that you may need to be replaced. And then inside the device, there is a draw straw with a screen. I'll show you that in just a second. Here. The screen is the same way as the inlet water screen. It may become clogged or contaminated with any particulates in the chemical supply, so that may need to be checked occasionally, especially if there's no draw occurring. And also the unit utilizes metering tips as shown here. And with the tip, it also may become clogged at some point over time. Removing the tip, replacing it is the easiest thing. Certainly you can try to clean the tip off, but never ever try to put anything in to open the hole up. It will make it worse, I promise. So with that, a very light, very simple device to use here, and one that will last you for quite a while. So again, a HydroFoamer. There is a sister device, a Hydro Sprayer instead, should you need a spraying application. All of these items are available on our website at Kleen-Rite And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me directly. My email is jwidener@Kleen-Rite.com or 800-233-3873. My extension is 282. Thanks for listening.